Unraveling Idioms. Understanding, drown in a teacup. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English idioms. We will unravel the meaning behind the phrase, drown in a teacup. This idiom is not just about words but about the vivid imagery and profound meaning it conveys. So, let's get started and find out how something so small as a teacup can hold such a vast ocean of meaning. This phrase is actually a twist on the more common idiom, a storm in a teacup. While a storm in a teacup refers to making a big fuss about a trivial matter, drown in a teacup takes it a step further. It implies an extreme reaction to a minor issue, suggesting that someone is overwhelmed or consumed by what is essentially a small or insignificant problem. Let's paint a picture of this idiom. Imagine a tiny teacup, and in it, someone is drowning. It sounds absurd, right? That's the point. The phrase uses this exaggerated imagery to highlight how some people might overreact to minor issues. The idiom's power lies in its vivid visual representation, making it both memorable and impactful. You can use this idiom to gently point out when someone is overreacting or to reflect on your own reactions. For instance, I know you're upset about the spilled milk, but don't drown in a teacup. It's a quick cleanup. I almost drowned in a teacup worrying about that email, but it turned out to be just a routine update. Idioms like drown in a teacup enrich our language, adding color and depth to our conversations. Remember, while it's easy to get caught up in our troubles, it's crucial to recognize when we're turning teacups into oceans. I hope this exploration helps you navigate the vast seas of English idioms more confidently. Until our next linguistic journey, keep learning and exploring.